This is how she wants to operate.
A heated exchange between U.S. Attorney for D.C. Jeanine Pirro and D.C. native Robert Vincent Branham during Pirro's appearance at the Citizens Advisory Council for MPD's 3rd District.
She needs to be held accountable. President Trump needs to be held accountable.
Why are you interrupting me, sir?
Because you're lying to me.
The back and forth was one part of a near hour-long appearance by Pirro, who showed up to the forum to talk about D.C. crime stats, federal local coordination, and her priorities.
Beyond the guns, we've got drugs. We've also got domestic violence. We've got robberies. What I want is to have the open dialogue and the communication. As I said, we're not going to agree on anything, but if there's a problem and if there is something that I can do to change it, then I'm all ears.
Pirro also pointed out her need to prosecute what she calls violent repeat youth offenders.
You can't repeatedly allow young people committing violent crimes to go to ice cream socials and yoga, because that's what they do.
The 3rd District CAC says they want to keep the line of communication open with the U.S. Attorney's Office. They are calling for transparency in prosecution decisions impacting neighborhoods. Athena Viscusi has lived in the Mount Pleasant community for years and described what she has experienced since the federal takeover.
Ruthlessly profiling people, picking them up off the street and dragging them away, and then finding out, some of them are maybe citizens, residents. This is not law enforcement. This is lawlessness. This is a reign of terror. This is meant to, if crime's going to go down because we're all intimidated and we're staying in our houses, have we gained anything?
D.C. residents say they hope the concerns raised tonight will be addressed in the future.
Having an atmosphere where people feel safe to take their kids to school, where people feel safe to go to work, where people feel safe to go to the police when you do sometimes need to go to the police. I hope she realized that public safety is it's not a little narrow thing. It's 360 degrees. We do not feel safe.
In the district, Dominique, Moody, News 4.